Y'all just came from work. My hair still needs braids. Time to get ready for the weekend, honey. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. So in this video today, I'm showing y'all how I get a perm rod set, and I'm going to show y'all how I use the hair wax to achieve it. Last time in my last video when I did that blue mohawk, I put the hair wax on after the fact. And since that video, I saw a few ladies put it on as they were styling their hair. So I was like, let me try it that way. So in this video, I'll show you the pros and cons of both. I'll give you a slight review of this hair wax, and of course, show you how to do a perm rod set. All right, y'all. All right, so today I'm gonna do my hair in perm rods. I saw this how it started, how it's going thing. And I remember when I very first chopped the ends of my relaxed hair off, and because I was transitioning, I did this perm rod set, and it was so cute, but it was like so small. And I had this blue temporary hair dye in it that I got from Walmart. So I was like, why don't I do that again and do another perm rod set with that blue hair dye I ordered? So if you didn't see my last video where I did that blue mohawk, this is the blue hair dye I ordered. I just ordered some random hair dye with good reviews off of Amazon. And to me, it worked well, but I put the hair dye in after my hair was dry, and it kind of made for double work because I did a braid out, and then I took down my braid out, and then I put the hair dye in, and it was just like I was in my head all day. So I was like, next time I'll just, put the dye in as I do my style and then take it out, and it'll be dyed and dry. But I've heard some ladies say how messy it was. And so I was like, it wasn't messy for me at all, but that might be because my hair was already dry. And so you're probably like, so why are you going to do it on wet hair? Well, I guess just to try and see, number one, if it really is, that messy, I guess. And just to try that technique versus the technique I did, because it was number two, to eliminate double work. I mean, because if you think about it, I would already had done my perm rods, took them out, and then have to put the blue dye back in. So I'm going to see how it is just doing the blue dye in my hair up front. All right, I took out my braids. So I'm going to do this on dirty hair, so to speak. I'm not going to wash my hair for this. This is just for the weekend. So I'm going to do this hair style with whatever products are already on my hair. But I'll be using a leave-in from Mielle and the same line, the pomegranate and honey curling souffle. And just start putting my hair in sections. Probably 5 workable sections. Just gonna wet it a little bit to get it nice and manageable. All right, so my detangling is complete. I left a space out in the back. I put it in 5 sections. And I guess my process is going to be leave-in, the curling souffle, and then the color. So let's see. I'm going to go in a little bit with the leave-in. Oh, it's Curl Smoothie. Enhanced curl definition. Should I be using this? I think I'm confusing this with the curl souffle. This is what I was thinking of, the twisting souffle. This works really good. I haven't really used this, and I have it. It's like, why don't I use my hair products? I don't know. But, I don't know. Should I switch it up, or should I stay, or should I go? I'm using this one. Only because I feel like since I haven't used that Curl Lala, I would like to use it by itself so I can really see how it is. Right now, the showstopper. Showstopping. Show stopping. Show stopping. Got my hair nice and smooth before it goes on the rod. Goes in at the bottom end. And you kind of want to wrap the end around just so it's nice and secure. And then just twirl like so. And then snap this bad boy kind of close to your root so it's not that frizzy. And then boom, get it nice and smooth. Put it on your curl. Curl that end around, get it nice and tucked. And then spiral that bad boy all the way up and snap it close to them roots. Don't know how popping it's gonna be. Cause this is so different. Like I said before, I put it on when it was dry. So like, I knew exactly what it looked like, but I think it's there. I'm almost done. I just got one little section left, and this is how it looks so far. I hope I put enough glue on. I feel like when it's wet, maybe you don't see it as much, but hopefully, it's still there. So this is how they look, y'all. I hope this turn out popping tomorrow. I got places to be, people to see, things to do, okay? All right, so today is the next day. My hair should be dry. Oh, and it didn't like seep out on my pillowcase, I don't think. Like I didn't notice it, but you can see it's on my bonnet a little bit. But nothing major. It looks wet, but it's dry. So we'll see. Okay. So as I'm taking these out, I just made a sink of water to toss them in because you can still see blue residue on them. And when I use them in the future, I just want to start using them and not have to wash them beforehand. So the curl is coming out good. It looks dry, but it doesn't feel dry. But that might be the product. Because look at the product on my hands. So, yeah, because the hair looks dry. It's not frizzy. But it just feels not dry. Uh-oh. Got some blue stuff falling all over my shirt. Y'all, link down below y'all favorite hair wax. Like I said before, I just found this real quick on Amazon. I know I saw some on Instagram that I want to try. But if y'all have a hair wax you like and, doesn't give you any issues, put that down below and shout out, whoever makes it. So this is how it's looking. It's cute. I like it. I was worried about the color not showing at first, but I like how it looks. It looks good. So So I'm going to just go in and separate it. Pull a strand, kind of feel where it naturally separates. Twist it around my finger just for that extra curl enhancement after separating it. Kind of like just curling it back up after pulling it. And that's that. There are a little bit of like glumps, glops, whatever you call it. Yeah, I have to say, I think I like applying this better after it's dry. And then also, you don't get like all of this. I don't know if you can see that, but that didn't happen when I put it on after it was dry. I knew I was taking a risk because I already watched some reviews that said it was messy, and now I can see, like, I feel like I don't want to sit back in my car or, you know, I don't want to hug nobody. I think that's that, okay? I like it, yes. All right, well, let me know what y'all ladies think. And don't forget to drop your favorite hair waxes below because I could use, you know, a recommendation. All right, so I will say I do like the color, though. The color I do like. It wasn't as vibrant as my last one, but it still hits the mark for me. The messiness, it wasn't messy until now. Even so, I mean, it's on my shirt and my fingers, but it's not like overbearing like I absolutely wouldn't recommend it because it's so messy type thing, but just be cognizant of that when you buy it. It does have a weird texture, but as you can see, I was still able to achieve my style. So that's, that's like number one. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you share it with all those naturalistas out there, and y'all stay beautiful and be blessed. All right, bye. Go hoops, always in style. Actually, do I like gold hoops with this outfit? Maybe I want, gold hoops or gold studs.